The Tungsten DF is part of ASP's transitional flashlight family. It packs the performance and features of a full-size duty light into a pocketable, lightweight form factor. This powerful tactical tool blasts 475 lumens of bright white light in high mode, dropping down to a 15 lumen low setting with a double tap of the tail cap switch. Dual fuel technology means you'll never be without power. The included 18650 lithium-ion battery charges right inside the light with ASP's proprietary fail-safe internal charging system and an onboard charge status indicator. Or the rechargeable battery can be swapped out for two CR123A primary cells when needed. The Tungsten features ASP's trademark 3-position switch, so you can quickly and positively choose between constant on, intermittent, and locked. Materials and construction are uncompromising ASP quality throughout. Hard coat anodized aluminum barrel, genuine Cree LED, machined and polished reflector, German optical glass lens, gold-plated connectors, and much more. The Tungsten is also compatible with ASP's tactical light case. The TLC is our unique, exclusive rotating belt carrier that turns your flashlight into a hands-free illumination tool. Whether you're on the job, at home, or enjoying the outdoors, it's a must-have accessory.